derived units. As the name itself tells, the units used for measurement of derived quantities, that is units of derived quantities which are expressed from base or fundamental quantities. Mass, a meter per second is unit of speed. Kg per meter cube is unit of density. Meter per second square is unit of acceleration, etc. These are the derived units. Fundamental units in system. We have 7 fundamental quantities and their units and symbols: length, meter; mass, kilogram; time, second; electric current, ampere; temperature, Kelvin; luminous intensity, candela; amount of substance, mole. And there are two supplementary angles, supplementary units, that is plane angle and solid angle. That plane angle is measured in radian and solid angle is measured in steradian. So let us define plane angle. If you take an angle, if you want to write an angle theta, it is defined as the ratio of arc length s to the radius r, and its unit is radian. So theta is given by s divided by r, that is arc length divided by radius. And solid angle is defined as the ratio of intercepted area of a spherical surface described at the apex O as the center to the square of a radius, and its unit is steradian. So if this is the case, it is omega, denoted with letter omega. Omega is equal to a by r square. That is what in the sphere, this is taking a part of it. Derived quantities and derived units. So let us write the units of derived quantities. Area. Area can be expressed as length into length. Say for example, area of a square, L into L. Area of a rectangle is L into B. So both are measuring the length. Therefore L into L. So what is the unit of length? Unit of length is meter. So M into M, its unit is M square. Next, density. We define density as mass divided by volume. Mass is measured in kg and volume is m cube. So its unit is kg per meter cube. Velocity. We define velocity as a rate of change of displacement, that is distance divided by time. Distance is measured in meter and time in second. Therefore its unit is meter per second. Momentum. We define momentum as product of mass into velocity, m into v. Mass is measured in kg, velocity is meter per second. So its unit is kg meter per second. Pressure. We define pressure as force divided by area. Force is measured in Newton and area is m square. So its unit is Newton per meter square, but actually its SI unit is Pascal, named after the scientist, as Newton is also a unit of force which is named after scientist